Hey everyone, today we are looking at Midjourney's new SREF Random. SREF Random utilizes the style reference parameter to apply a random style to your results. This is a really cool way to explore Midjourney's vast style universe and find interesting styles to use. In this video, I'll share some examples and my first impressions on best use cases, and make sure you watch to the end to learn how you can get ready for Midjourney's upcoming Model Personalization feature. But first, please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's talk about SREF Random. SREF Random is pretty straightforward to use. You can use it in Discord or on the website. Just type your prompt, then add the style reference parameter --SREF, a space, and then type the word random. This tells Midjourney to apply a random style to the results. In this result, you can see that all 4 images in the image grid have the same style. If we run the same prompt again, we get new results with a different style. All of these image grids were generated using the same prompt, so very quickly you can create a set of images that have diverse styles. You can also combine SREF Random with other parameters in your prompt, such as stylize, chaos, weird, and style raw, to pull from even more dimensions in Midjourney's style space. So far, I think there are 2 best use cases for SREF Random. The first is style exploration. There are billions of style possibilities that are accessible with Midjourney, and if you're having a hard time describing a style with words or you just don't know what you want, this is a great way to explore. The second is for creating style references rather than trying to generate a final image directly. I recommend starting with a simple prompt. Then, to use that random style as a style reference, you can include the SREF Random code number from the result in a new prompt. This code number refers to that specific style. Or you can copy the URL for one of the images and use that as your style reference. And you can turn the strength of the style reference up or down with the SW parameter. For more on different ways to use the style reference parameter, make sure you check out this video. The results that I'm getting with SREF Random kind of remind me of the image grids on the Style Tuner web pages for Midjourney's V5 model. On a Style Tuner web page, all of the images are created using your text prompt, but they're shown across a range of styles. So if you've been missing that aspect of the V5 Style Tuner where you see your text prompt results shown across a range of styles, you might really enjoy using SREF Random. So we can use style references and create random styles with SREF Random. What if Midjourney more consistently gave you results that were more in line with your personal style preferences by default? For months, Midjourney has been teasing model personalization, and it is getting much closer to being released. Each Midjourney model has a default aesthetic. That default is somewhat based on what images the overall Midjourney community likes through image ranking. Soon, you will be able to override the default with a style that is based on how you rank images. Do you prefer illustrations over photographs? Do you prefer light pastels or bright, bold colors? To make sure that you can use model personalization as soon as it's released, you will need to spend at least 15 minutes ranking images on the website. It's super easy, and if you rank enough images in a day, you'll get a free fast hour. You can check how many images you've ranked by typing /info in Discord. To sum it all up, I think the biggest advantage of SREF Random is being able to discover totally new styles that you might never think to describe in words. Not every SREF Random result will be a winner, but it's yet another fun, creative tool available in the Midjourney toolbox. For more videos like this, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.